Hi everyone, Chris from Virtigon here. I just wanted to take some time and talk to you about NTP and the requirements and best practices from a Nutanix perspective. So quite often I'll be speaking to customers about designs and deployments, and when it comes to the discussion of NTP servers, commonly they will only have 2 NTP servers to configure within the cluster. Frankly, this is very poor configuration, and it's due to the requirement to be able to identify a false ticker. Where 2 time sources are configured and one drifts from the other and reports a different time, the systems relying on the 2 NTP servers can begin to flap between the 2 time sources. If the system is a syslog server, this will feasibly lead to useless logs being out of order with the times that the events actually happen. However, with Nutanix and any other system that writes redundant blocks of data using timestamps, if there is a flapping scenario, this means that those redundant blocks of data may be useless. So how many should you have? 3 as a minimum, so that the system can identify a false ticker and disassociate it from the other 2 time sources which agree on time. However, 4 provides redundancy for this identification ability, and 5 is the number recommended by Nutanix themselves. So what about if the customer only has 2? Personally, I feel uneasy leaving customers with this configuration, so I will tend to configure only 1 time source. And the reason is, 1 is better than 2 NTP servers, and if the single time source configured begins to drift, at least all the timestamps will drift with it, meaning that redundancy should still be maintained. Clearly, I will recommend a post-project to create more NTP servers for the customer and configure afterwards. Anyway, I hope that's been helpful, and I hope that it helps ensure good time configuration for all of your infrastructures. Thanks very much.